4-year-old Gunnar Mays is finally back to his old playful self.
Hey, breathe.
Day after day, week after week, he couldn't stop coughing. His mom took this video of him and it only got worse.
The cough just would not let up, and it was a pretty scary cough. He'd start coughing and be like, I can't breathe, I can't breathe.
His parents didn't know what to do.
I couldn't help him. I couldn't do anything for him.
When the symptoms started, they thought it was his asthma or something routine.
We thought maybe it was sinus or maybe a cold. He never had a fever.
Instead, Gunnar had pertussis, or whooping cough, a highly contagious bacterial disease that causes violent coughing attacks.
I was pretty much floored. You know, how can he get that? He's been vaccinated for it.
That's right. They say doctors had no explanation on how he got the illness. But he's doing fine now, and his parents hope others learn from their story to watch for whooping cough.
Relief, just to know exactly, what it was. At least we have a diagnosis instead of a little one that can't breathe and is telling you, I can't breathe, I can't breathe.